What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today is August 30th, 2018. Right here I'm with my boy Cameron, and we're about to go on the field trip to the Louisville Nature Center, which is located in Louisville, Kentucky, near Poplar Level Road, somewhere around there. But yeah, we're about to go on the field trip.
By the end of the period, I probably know 10 students.
So right now we made it to our destination, the Louisville Nature Center.
This bus is...
So right now we just got off the bus, waiting for everybody. This is the place. So right now, we're just waiting. This is everyone that's going on the field trip. Sri Lane. Oh boy, Cam. Dude, my quality is slowing down. Like. I knew it. Bro, I did not expect the trail to start off right here. Ah, look, we're in here. Gang. Gang, gang. Really, bro, I did not expect to just walk behind the building, like, well, the side of the building. Yeah, like, wait, where the heck is everyone at? Oh, like, I thought they all disappeared. What the heck? This looks like a backyard.
It is a backyard.
Literally, look. I mean, I don't know if you can see that because of the camera, but yeah, looks like we're just in the backyard.
What are they doing? They're mating. Yes.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
I didn't even see that.
All the
And
day long or what?
if you look at the eyes of the turtle, well, Tank will probably tell you about that. But if they have red eyes, that means they're a male. Oh. And if they have don't have red eyes.
So right now, I think we're starting our trail. What does it say? I don't know. We'll just see that in the video. The wildlife. No pets. Get out of here, Cameron. Fresh wood. Fresh wood. You need some woods? You gonna roll a wood? Looks alright.
Right here.
Rolling up that joint.
Allergic to it, you
This
will
is
break out
poison
in a
ivy.
really bad rash, and it's very, very itchy. My little sister was highly allergic to it. She ended up in the hospital for 3 days because she got it in her eyes. And it was amazing. It was so awful. If you like health food stores, if you don't want to use like calamine lotion or chemicals on your body, you can go to health food stores and find jewel weed liquid. So it's a liquid that's already taken out, so you can use it on your poison ivy. It doesn't. And it is a great cure for poison ivy. Because what you do is you pull up the entire plant. If you don't want to go to the health store and buy it yourself, buy some. You pull it up and you sort of water.
Leaf mite?
Leaf mite.
That's making those, yeah.
Continuing our trail through Louisville Nature Center. Learned a few things. Learned what poison ivy looks like. Learned what a jewelweed looks like. And some type of leaf mite thing. What is it called, Cameron?
What?
The thing on the leaf?
Leaf mite?
A leaf mite, that's what it's called. Look at this. I don't even know what this is.
Find another one.
So this is a turkey tail mushroom. Look. Yes? You got a what?
Daddy long leg.
Where'd it go?
He ran away again.
Hold up, bro. Hold that.
He's like, no.
So you just like... Hey, bro, you got me messed up. Can I send you it? Yeah.
This tree came out of that hole.
Look, it's missing. What are we learning? Are we learning about something? I don't know what this is, but everybody was looking at it.
Talking about a butterfly.
A butterfly?
Yeah, maybe just something the butterfly eats. Once it's come out of the cocoon. I don't know.
Oh, the caterpillar right here. Hey, here's the other group of people. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
Not yet.
There's some cool mushrooms up ahead.
Mushrooms? Yeah, we saw some mushrooms earlier. Ooh, what are these? You want some shrooms?
Are you a YouTuber?
I'm gonna eat this mushroom.
Some shrooms, some psilocybin.
I don't know. They support you.
You can eat it when it's very, very small, but you have to get it when it's only about maybe 3 inches or less. Like a poultice, which was like a salve sort of thing that they'd put on a piece of cloth, and they would lay that on top of the snake bite, and it was supposed to draw out all the poison. Okay. Now, one of the interesting history. Self fungus.
Okay, I see it bending down. That stuff's pretty tough.
That's natural. That's definitely natural.
That's what's coming out of the ground.
Yeah, something like that.
Right there.
From that little place right there.
Yeah, that little hole. Damn, look at that. Dude, look at that dried out tongue.
Dude, that mouth is dry. But let's look at the squirrel real quick.
Looks like he went to fight somebody.
Look at that tail.
Are you original?
So, you might be buddies in another life. You're the snake person.
Excuse me. Ahora tú.
Do it. He just took a raccoon. Dude, they took everything out of his body.
For those of you guys who haven't seen it yet, check out the hornet's nest above the door.
Take it off.
Oh, wait, there's a nest up there, bro? Hold up. I should have used my flash. Shit.
So make sure you get your picture for your photo blog.
Put it on me.
Okay. Can I touch too? Hang on. Let's let him crawl.
He's big.
Not big, in my question bigger than this. There you go. You have to move too quickly. Startled. Their main predator.
Alright, so right now me and Cam is ready to go into bird blind.
Like, she just was like, I know. You fill this with your hands. You just want to do this.
What's in here?
Groundhog. Groundhog bird.
Who's gonna see me?
So here's a female cardinal up here on this tree. She's thinking about coming down to the feeders. Cardinals are very, they mate, I think they mate for life, and they look out for each other. So like those plastic dollar bowls from the dollar store and drill a hole in the top and then put it on the, like one on the bottom and one on the top, and they can't get around. What do you do? Those big plastic bowls from the dollar
Is
store.
it good?
And then, like,
What you
thread
want
it
some more?
on.
So right now, everybody got done eating, and then our tour here, whatever, is basically over. But right now, our whole field trip group is about to go. Somebody's missing a bag.
That's a wasp nest right there, and I've been kicking it, and now they're all coming out.
Oh shit.
Should I tell these people?
So right now, the whole class walked to the park, and my boy Cameron's on top of this tree. I don't know what park we're at. I forgot what this is called, but it's right next to the Louisville Zoo.
2, 3.
Back in their natural habitat. Look, from right here, they are all the way up there. Well, not all the way up there. Well, what, Cameron's ready to be all the way up there.
Remember when you told that lady the first time I was outside was 5 minutes ago before I walked in the building?
say something. You got it, Cam? You
Proof you've been outside before.
want me to boost you? Where's this
I can boost
going?
you.
Yeah, Ahmed, you gotta go all the way up there, bro.
Ahmed, get up top.
You gotta go all the way up
I
there.
was up top. Good up top.
You go, we're gonna take this stairs and come back. Stay on that side.
Well, I'm recording you for a reason.
I want to get up there too.
There you go, Shaka. Go up there. Get up there.
Where's the muscles? Show them how it's done.
Why you got stuff on my muscle?
I'm done. I see.
Thank you.
That you want to shoot.
Shaka, come over.
Nah, she be joking on me acting, bro.
Where's Cam?
My pants, my shoes.
Watch out, there's a spider web over there.
We got a white monkey up here too, huh?
He said white monkey. So right now, apparently this tree you can just climb all the way up. Oh shit.
Is he all the way up?
Oh, my man is up there. My man is up there.
I gotta climb up this tree.
It's okay, we got a supervisor.
I'm standing right here.
We're straight. Yeah, you're supervising this. Are you supposed to condone this?
I didn't think it was
This easy way?
No, this over here is the easiest way.
My man is a tree climber.
I didn't even know you were there. There you go.
Put this in your video. I'm not doing
All right, man.
like
The last part is you
scientific
just coming down. All right, tell me, how was it?
That was fun. I just hit my noggin a little bit.
Kill yourself on that black. Oh, like that. Alright, that was cool. That was
So right now we're back at the Louisville Nature Center. Our field trip is over, so we're heading back to the school. Everybody's back on the bus. The other bus is right there. And then the Nature Center is right here.
We got all these birds right here.
What do we got? Right now we made it back to school.
We back in the building.
Yep, we're back in the school building. That field trip was alright.
Yeah, it was
Let's go in this computer room.